Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Starlink Internet beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, unbox your Starlink kit and ensure all components are present. You should find the satellite dish, tripod mount, Wi-Fi router, power cables, and the necessary installation guide. Next, choose a suitable location for the satellite dish. Select an area that provides an unobstructed view of the sky, ideally away from tall trees and buildings. Assemble the tripod mount according to the instructions in your manual. Once assembled, securely attach the dish to the tripod. Ensure the dish is level and stable to prevent any movement from wind or other elements. Now, connect the provided cable from the dish to the router. Make sure both ends are securely connected. Next, plug the router into a power outlet using the supplied power cable. Wait a few moments for the router to power on fully. You will see lights indicating the status of your connection. Once the lights indicate the system is online, take out your smartphone or computer. Connect to the Starlink Wi-Fi network using the default network name provided in the kit. Open your web browser and type in the setup URL as listed in the installation guide. Follow the prompts to create or log into your Starlink account. You may need to provide your service address to confirm satellite availability. Once your account is set up, the system will guide you through the activation process. Be patient as this may take a few moments to complete. After activation, you'll receive confirmation that your service is ready to use. For optimal signals, ensure the dish remains clear of obstructions at all times. Finally, test your internet connection by visiting various websites or conducting a speed test. Congratulations, your Starlink Internet is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.